What's up guys, this is Old Man Wags here with Atlantic Pressure Washers, here to show you our latest giveaway. What we have here is a cool drive unit. It is a Power Ease 15 horsepower engine with a belt drive pump made by AR. What this is basically a 4-gallon a minute, 4,000 PSI entry-level bounce drive unit. This thing is perfect for pulling off of a tank. For guys that are just looking to get in the industry, we're looking to really help some guys out. November 30th is going to be the giveaway on Cyber Monday. All you have to do is click the link below to enter, no strings attached. The reason this thing is perfect is it is a great entry-level machine for concrete cleaning, house washing, driveways, and really just all types of residential purpose cleaning. Cold water machine, what we're going to do is fire it up. We'll see what this thing can do. Alright guys, as you can see, this is a pretty useful tool for you to have in the arsenal. All you have to do to enter to win is click on the link below. November 30th, Cyber Monday, that's our date for the giveaway. Local customers only. You will have to come to the store to pick this up. Look forward to having you. Hope you win. Thanks for watching. This is APW. Don't forget to turn the water on.